Technology is playing a larger role than ever before in our lives. Equipping your students with the skills they need to navigate these changes has become increasingly important in education today. To achieve this goal, educators must move away from traditional teaching methods and embrace creative strategies that foster 21st century capabilities such as critical thinking and digital literacy. In this video, we will demonstrate how to promote 21st century skills using Rolljak. The Remixer from Rolljak Signature is used to encourage creativity and critical thinking. You can change the prompt or use the randomize option to make it more unpredictable. Improve their collaboration and critical thinking by using peer evaluation. Sketch It Out gets participants to design their projects or ideas. You can add a background to make your activity more engaging. Manage the pace of the activities and the response time. You can also add it after you go live. Before you go live, choose if you run the quiz with individuals or within teams to make it more challenging. After the game ended, the participant screen will show their rankings. Ask participants to present their ideas on the gallery view to teach resilience and self-advocacy. That is the way to engage the classroom dialogues that foster critical thinking and exploration. Embracing 21st century skills with more of the Rolljak activities you can create to gamify your lessons. Get rolling with Rolljak.